and jump about my name. They put a bounty out on me. They're all excited about
I'm feeling good.
And we're feeling good because it's another beautiful day on a weekend. Welcome to Foresta Cafe. Walang kaplano-plano, dinala na lang kami ng mga paa namin dito. Anyway, they're open every day from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Based on the information that we gathered, ito ang una sa maraming cafes na itatayo dito sa Villar City. Medyo kailangan nyo lang ng mahabang pasensya at tiyaga before you get in. But we can vouch na sobrang worth it if you're with your family, friends, partner, kahit nga mag-isa ka lang. Never magiging problema ang parking. Tingnan nyo naman gaano kalawak, kaya kung kailangan mo ng space, literally and figuratively, ito ang para sa'yo. More than just a hangout place, you can easily admire the architecture and design of the place. Hindi na sikretong pag-aari ito ni Tito Manny Villar. Joke. And since wala pa masyadong structure, napaka-presko, sariwa, at malinis pa ang simoy ng hangin dito. Hindi lang namin alam paano sitwasyon dito kapag umuulan. For its interior, you'll easily notice the long glass walls and ceilings. At yung purpose nito is for the natural light to come through wind. Medyo hindi lang namin nagustuhan yung kailangan mo pang pumila para umorder. Yung kulay ng interior lights nila nagbe-blend sa natural light. Kaya yung vibe sa loob, natural na natural talaga. At wala ring discrimination pagdating sa paggamit ng restroom. Sabi nila, the initial purpose of this place was to become a community cafe. Pero dahil sa ganda ng lugar and its proximity to Cavite, Laguna, and Metro Manila, we think it's safe to say na diverse talaga yung mga pinanggalingan ng mga dumadayo dito. Kami nga taga Bulacan pa eh. Oh, by the way, we almost forgot to mention that judging from its logo, part siya ng Coffee Project group of brands along with Dear Joe. Marami kaming nababasang negative reviews about their food and drinks. Our judgment, sakto lang naman. You will definitely fall in love with this place if sunset lover ka. So that's about it for our mini review of Foresta Cafe. If you're interested to know more about this place, bisitahin nyo na lang. And we're sure that you'll discover more. Kung meron pa kayong masasuggest na ibang lugar for us to review on, feel free to comment them in sa comment section. And rest assured na isaset natin yan. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media pages.